Hi everyone, thank you all for stopping by my channel to watch my videos. I appreciate you very much. I am sending love to you wherever you are today. And today's video, there will be encouraging words, empowering words. I'll be reading a card and also an I am to keep us motivated and uplifted. I'm also going to try another wing, so keep watching and see how this look and the wing turn out to be. Today, it is also another Black History Month eye makeup look. Keep watching. It is always fun here. I love you. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to start with yellow in the brow bone. This yellow has a little bit of silver sparkle in it. There will also be some quiet times in this video where I'm not talking, so I will add music to it. Enjoy it. Remember to watch a playlist. I always appreciate your view. This is the yellow. Can you see it? Very, very light. Let's build it up. Can you see the speckles in there? It is so, so pretty. Take a look. Very pretty. Today's I am says, and it did come from the comments, it says, I am grateful for what I have. I am grateful for what I have. You are grateful for what you have. Give thanks for what you have. I am now going in with the black and I'm putting it in the crease right here. I am thankful for what I have. Today's I am. The I ams are always powerful. They're always helpful. Just in case we forget to be thankful for what we have today, let us give thanks for what we have today. I am thankful for what I have. Always remember you are first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. Never give up on yourself. Do not dim your light for another. If you are suffering with any addiction, mental illness, any other ailment, please, I'm asking you to seek help because help is available. Always ask for help. Never, never, ever, ever give up on yourself. I just applied this black in the crease. Again, today's eye look is going to be a Black History Month look. I'm going to the green and start in the outer corner and head towards the middle. I'm going into another green and add it right here because that other green is not enough. I need more. Today's self-love card says, my home is a reflection of me. My home is a reflection of me. I'm going into the red and put in this section of my eyes. My home is a reflection of me. Make your home a reflection of you. Someplace you want to always head to when you finish work, when you finish running errands. You want your home to be very, very comfortable. Make your home a reflection of you. I have hooded eyes, so you know I always have to go a little higher. I also love colors, so I like playing with my colorful makeup. I'm using this shimmer over here. going to do a red shimmer, but the color is called magenta, but I need something to go over the red. So let's hope it works out. You know, over here. It's because it says the name of the, it says the name of it, but I didn't swatch it. So if we surprise together. But it's looking good. It's looking good. Not bad. Okay, now we're gonna do the liner. This is the place where the liner comes in. Let us see if I can do a wing liner again. Okay, this time we're gonna do a small one, but it's going to be beautiful. Keep watching. I'm going to start right here in the bottom part of my eye with the liner to make that wing. And I'm taking my time because I want a short wing today. So I'm opening up my eyes so I can see because I have hooded eyes. Can you see? It stops here, right here. I start in the bottom right here. The bottom part of my eye. And do that. You know, I have wrinkles, so I'm not worried about that. Now I'm going to take this and bring it down here to make a small wing. Right? You see it? So I didn't start on top here today. I start in the bottom right here and went up and went halfway and bring it down because I want a small wing today. Can you see it? I needed my magnifying mirror. Without that, I can't see. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Can you see? I'm opening up my eye because I want to see the bottom part of my eye because of my hooded eyes. So I'm starting in the bottom right here. And I'm going to go up halfway. Remember, both eyes are different. You see it? I hope you can. We're making wings. We won't fly away, but we're making wings. So because I start in the bottom one, bottom part of my eyes, bottom one, and go up to kind of like trick the hooded eyes. You see it? We're coming along. Baby steps. We just have to keep trying. We'll get it done. Today's a small wing. This one I fill it in. This one is not filled in, you see? Now I'll fill it in. So now I have two baby wings. You see it? I am trying with you. I'm trying. We will get all of these things together. Let me finish this up and then I will be back. This is today's look. Another Black History Month eye look. Tell me what you think. I have my tribal signs on because it's Black History Month. I just can't help myself to just get back into the creative juices that I used to do way back yonder. If you watch me from the beginning, you know I used to do a lot of creative stuff. So I'm just adding some more back into this channel because it's always fun here. I did a small wing on each side. Hopefully you can see it. Tell me what you think about it because I'm going to be practicing with the wing and the hooded eyes so we all can get it done, you know. I use many palettes today. My blush palette by Juvia's Place. I use this color and this highlighter. Very pretty as you can see. It's also on my nose. I use the Nomad palette. I use the yellow in there. This yellow have sparkly everywhere. That's in my brow bone. That's why it's so sparkly. It's that color. It's a matte with little silver shimmers in there. I also use the box of crayons palette. I use, which color did I use in there? I use the black from in there and some of the green. Also from the Tribe palette by Juvia's Place, I use the darker green in the outer corner. What else did I use? My base is from Danessa Myricks, the Yummy Skin. I'm in shade 8. I haven't used it in a while, but as you can see, it's almost there. I use the red from Colored Rain palette, this red right here. And the shimmer that I use is this magenta from the box of crayons right here. My green shimmer, as you can see how pretty it is, it came from this Pat McGrath palette, the quad. I set my base with the black opal caramel powder. It's not the right shade, but with this color goes on, it comes out okay. My eye base, Plain in Makeup by Yolando. My lip color is by Juvia's Place. It's this red right here. I have 2 of the reds. As you can see, one is brighter than the other. I wanted a darker one today. That's on my lips. What else? I think that's it. And I tied my hair in a tribal piece, did my tribal stuff, and that's it. I think that's it. I don't think that's anything else. Under my eyes, I use the green in the outer corner and the black in the crease. That's what's under my eyes. That's it. Thank you all again for watching. I appreciate you all very much. Keep watching my videos all the way to the end. Have fun, share it, and that is what keeps me visible on YouTube. So please watch all the videos all the way to the end, and I'm going to put a playlist here and a playlist here. Please watch them, share them. Love you very much. Happy Black History Month if you celebrate it. And I will see you in the next one. There's another one like this coming up. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but there's another one coming up. And let us stay creative. Bye.